Welcome to Mispa English Medium School online classes. Standard 2nd English Unit 1 Chapter 1 First Day at School Part 1.
Hi children, now let's understand the poem The First Day at School. Let's look into the poem. The first line, I wonder if my drawing will be as good as theirs. मुझे आश्चर्य है कि मेरे चित्र उनके जैसे होंगे. I wonder if they like me or just be full of stares. मुझे आश्चर्य है कि वे मुझे पसंद करेंगे या केवल मुझे दूर कर देखेंगे. I wonder my teacher will look like mom or grand. मुझे आश्चर्य है कि मेरे शिक्षिका मेरी माँ या दादी की जैसे होंगे. I wonder if my puppy will wonder where I am. मुझे आश्चर्य है कि मेरा पिल्ला ये सोचेगा कि नहीं कि मैं कहाँ हूँ. Now let's go to another portion. Let's read. I wonder if the sea is blue. मुझे आश्चर्य है कि अगर समुद्र नीला है. Now let's look, listen and repeat. Let's go to some words here with its Hindi meaning. FIRST first, पहले. SCHOOL school, school. WONDER wonder, आश्चर्य. DRAWING drawing, चित्र. GOOD good, अच्छा. JUST just, केवल. FULL पूरा, नहीं तो पूर्ण. STARES stares, कुछ देर तक ताकना. TEACHER teacher, शिक्षिका. LOOK look, नजर रखना. MOM मम, माँ. PUPPY पप्पी, कुत्ते की बच्चा या पिल्ला. WHERE where, कहाँ पे, नहीं तो किधर. GRAN ग्रांड, दादी. Now write the correct option A, B, C, D in the box given below. Question number 1. I wonder if my dance will be good as theirs. Option A, reading. B, singing. C, drawing. D, writing. The answer is C, drawing. Question number 2. I wonder if my dance will look like mom or gran. Option A, teacher. B, friend. C, grandmother. D, mother. The answer is option A, teacher. Question number 3. I wonder if my dance will wonder where I am. Option A, mom. B, puppy. C, gran. D, teacher. The answer is option B, puppy. Hi, now let's go to some other words. Look, listen and repeat. HAPPY, happy, खुशी. SAD, sad, दुखी. ANGRY, angry, गुस्सा. SURPRISED, surprise, आश्चर्यचकित. SHY, shy, शर्मिला. SCARED, scared, डरा हुआ. Now look at the pictures and write the correct words from the box given above. Picture number 1, HAPPY, happy. Picture number 2, A-N-G-R-Y, angry. Picture number 3, S-A-D, sad. Picture number 4, S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E-D, surprise. Picture number 5, S-C-A-R-E-D, scared. Picture number 6, S-H-Y, shy. Now let's look at some more words. Look, listen and repeat. S-I-T-T-I-N-G, sitting. S-T-A-N-D-I-N-G, standing. R-U-N-N-I-N-G, running. J-U-M-P-I-N-G, jumping. S-K-I-P-P-I-N-G, skipping. W-A-L-K-I-N-G, walking. O-P-E-N-I-N-G, opening. C-L-O-S-I-N-G, closing. T-H-R-O-W-I-N-G, throwing. C-A-T-C-H-I-N-G, catching. R-E-A-D-I-N-G, reading. C-U-T-T-I-N-G, cutting. W-R-I-T-I-N-G, writing. E-A-T-I-N-G, eating. D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G, drinking. P-U-L-L-I-N-G, pulling. P-U-S-H-I-N-G, pushing. K-I-C-K-I-N-G, kicking. D-A-N-C-I-N-G, dancing. S-I-N-G-I-N-G, singing. C-L-A-P-P-I-N-G, clapping. L-A-U-G-H-I-N-G, laughing. R-I-D-I-N-G, riding. Now look at the pictures and write the correct action words from the box given above. Picture number 1, S-T-A-N-D-I-N-G, standing. Picture number 2, J-U-M-P-I-N-G, jumping. Picture number 3, W-A-L-K-I-N-G, walking. Picture number 4, T-H-R-O-W-I-N-G, throwing. Picture number 5, C-A-T-C-H-I-N-G, catching. Picture number 6, R-E-A-D-I-N-G, reading. Picture number 7, E-A-T-I-N-G, eating. Picture number 8, D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G, drinking. Picture number 9, K-I-C-K-I-N-G, kicking. Picture number 10, S-I-N-G-I-N-G, singing. Picture number 11, S-I-T-T-I-N-G, sitting. Picture number 12, R-U-N-N-I-N-G, running. Picture number 13, W-R-I-T-I-N-G, writing. Picture number 14, D-A-N-C-I-N-G, dancing. Now write the correct option A, B, C, D in the box given. Question number 1. Haldi was going to dash. Option A, school. B, market. C, garden. D, fair. Option A, school. Question number 2. Haldi met dash. A horse. Option B, a cow. Option C, an elephant. Option D, a giraffe. The answer is option D, a giraffe. Question number 3. What did the giraffe wear? Option A, ring. Option B, glasses. C, shoes. D, uniform. The answer is option B, glasses. Now question number 4. What did the giraffe have in his hand? Option A, bag. B, pen. C, book. D, toy. The answer is Option C, book. Question number 5. The giraffe's name was dash. Option A, smile. B, smiles. C, smiling. D, smiling. The answer is option D, smiling. Now the last question, question number 6. Haldi went to school dash. A, walking. B, on the giraffe's back. C, running. D, by bus. The answer is option B, on the giraffe's back. The next session in your workbook is fill in the blanks. The words glasses, giraffe's back, school, games and book. Number 1. Haldi was going to dash. The answer is school. Number 2. The giraffe wore big dash. Answer glasses. Number 3. The giraffe had a dash in his hand. The answer is book. Number 4. Haldi played dash on Saturdays. Answer games. Number 5. Haldi went to school on the dash. Giraffe's back. Haldi went to school on the giraffe's back. Now let's look to some other words. The words which given below are some of the rhyming words. Now look, listen and repeat. The red colored letter are the rhyming with other words. C-L-A-S-S, class. G-L-A-S-S, glass. P-A-S-S, pass. Next, F-O-U-N-D, found. R-O-U-N-D, round. S-O-U-N-D, sound. Next, C-R-A-D-L-E, cradle. S-A-D-D-L-E, saddle. P-A-D-D-L-E, pedal. The next, C-O-O-L, cool. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. T-O-O-L, tool. Next, B-R-O-W-N, brown. C-L-O-W-N, clown. D-O-W-N, down. Next, C-A-M-E, came. G-A-M-E, game. S-A-M-E, same. Now write two rhyming words for the words given below. W-A-Y, way. C-O-O-K, cook. H-A-T-E-H, G-R-O-U-N-D, ground. Way, re, play. Cook, book, took. Hate, date, fate. Ground, round, found. Hi, now let's look some more words here. S-A-I-L, sail. R-I-N-G, ring. P-L-A-Y, play. F-L-Y, fly. B-A-R-K, box. Using these words, fill in the blanks below. Children dash. Children play. Number 2, bells dash. Bells ring. Number 3, dogs dash. Dogs bark. Number 4, boats sail. Number 5, birds fly. Now write the names of the days of the week. S-U-N-D-A-Y, Sunday. M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, Wednesday. THURSDAY Thursday, FRIDAY Friday, SATURDAY Saturday. Hi children, now let's correct the mistakes and rewrite the sentences given below. One example is given there. What is Jay doing? There are some mistakes in that sentence. So we are going to correct it. That you can look here. I have just corrected the first sentence. W is written in red letter. Is corrected. J in red letter is corrected. And the question mark in red letter. So now let's look into the first question. I am a good boy. You see there, the I is in small letter. We corrected it into a capital letter, which we can see in second line in red color. And there is no full stop in the first sentence, but we have added a full stop in the second line. Number 2, today is Sunday. Now you just look, the T is capitalized, S is capitalized, and we have added a full stop. All these three are corrected, is given in red letter. Number 3, Raj is playing. Now you just look, the R for Raj is corrected and converted into capital letter, and we have also added a full stop at the end. In question number 4, what do you learn in school? So we have converted the first letter W into capital, and we have also added a question mark at the end of the sentence. Number 5, this is my book. We have converted T into capital and added a full stop at the end. Now, fill in the blanks with before or after. Before means पहले, after means बाद में. Question number 1. I brush my teeth dash I wake up. I brush my teeth after I wake up. Question number 2. I have my bath dash going to school. I have my bath before going to school. Question number 3. I clean my mouth dash eating my food. Answer. I clean my mouth after eating my food. Question number 4. I wash my hands dash playing. I wash my hands after playing. Question number 5. I do my homework dash I go home. I do my homework after I go home. 6. I wear my shoes dash going to school. Answer. I wear my shoes before going to school. Number 7. I sit in the classroom dash reaching school. I sit in the classroom after reaching the school. Now how many words can you make using the letters from the word given below? The first word HIPPOPOTAMUS, hippopotamus. Now let's make some words from the word hippopotamus. Number 1, MAT mat. Number 2, TAP tap. Number 3, POT pot. Number 4, SUM sum. Number 5, HIS his. Number 6, US us. The second word sunflower. Sunflower. Now let's look some words which can be made from the word sunflower. Number 1, sun, sun. Number 2, flower, flower. Number 3, flow. Number 4, low. Number 5, row. Number 6, so. Now circle the names of the things that you take with you to school. Here's a two picture, a ball and books. You take books with you to school. Out of these two pictures, sharpener and ice cream, you take sharpener with you to school. Here's a lunch box and a pencil. You take the lunch box and a pencil along with you to school. Here in these two pictures, the eraser you take to school, and the another picture is of a blackboard. Again, here there is two more pictures. One is a water bottle which you take to the school. The second one is a ruler. A ruler is also you take to the school. In this you see a toothbrush and a compass box. You take a compass box along with you to school. Out of these two, a bag and a puppy, you take a school bag along with you to school. So just circle the school bag. Hi children, now as given above, you just circle the pictures of the things which you take to your school. In this picture, you see a bell. Hi children, now describe the pictures using the sentences given in the board. The sentences are 1. Clapping hands. 2. Climbing tree. 3. Brushing teeth. 4. Washing face. 5. Watching TV. 6. Combing hair. Now look at these pictures. The picture number 1 is climbing tree. The picture number 2, combing hair. Picture number 3, brushing teeth. Picture number 4, washing face. Picture number 5, watching TV. Picture number 6, clapping hands.